Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. If you have not watched the previous videos, we did a video. I just did one. Bitcoin breaks crucial support. We could be heading down to 42,000. Make sure you guys watch that. And then Ethereum also breaks a support level. Could this be the start of a crash? We are seeing both of these move down quite substantially at the moment. Bitcoin is dropping a little bit faster than Ethereum, but both are dropping down here fairly proportionately. I am seeing just a little bit faster of a drop on BTC as I'm watching it, but the whole market is dropping down. We were looking for this drop. Now, I still believe there's a bigger drop to be had, but I think we're seeing the at least the beginning stages of this. All right, guys, let's go over Dogecoin. Incredible metrics that I want to show you guys today. If you were able to get into some short trades, that's awesome. But what is going on with Dogecoin? Where's the next best entry here? I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. So let's start here. Let's just dive right in. If you guys have the, let me get the trend line out here. If you guys have the price versus the money flow, honestly, guys, like these two indicators are the absolute best indicators to be able to call drops in the market as far as like trading view indicators go. I've literally coded trading view indicators for a living a few years ago, and I helped literally thousands and thousands of trading view users, and I ended up coding these two in here and working with these because I believe these are the best. When you guys see that the money flow, which is the green line here, if this makes a lower high and the price makes a higher high, strong indication money is flowing out of the market, and we actually are going to see a move back down. That's exactly what happened here, helping us call this drop. Like literally for all the rest of the years you guys are going to be trading, the months, years, whatever, I would highly suggest you guys get these on your charts, as well as the trend exhaustion shows us the divergence as well. The reason why I put both of these on the chart is because it's confirmation. If I just have one, I'm like, okay, that makes sense. But if I have two showing me the exact same thing, double confirmation, guys. It's just going to help me a lot. Trend dashboard as well. This is showing me that we have all of the normal indicators that the traders use, the RSI, stochastic, and MACD. These are, majority red, and then we see that the moving averages are still moving up. If this turns to red MA for 50 and then red moving average for 100, definitely bearish signs in the market, because a lot of people trade short under those moving averages when the price moves below those. When they're above it, they trade with the trend and they keep going long trades. So definitely want to do that. The prices will be going up September 1st, so just make sure you guys snag those. They're in the description. Okay, let's jump over the metrics. This is pretty cool. Dogecoin, we are moving up into the excited and the greedy section. Make sure you guys check this every single day, literally. Every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these will update without fail, okay? So the emotional index is pushing into the excited area. I was calling this on the last video. I said, hey guys, just look at what history has presented to us. When we get up into this excited and greedy section, we see drops, and drops. This isn't surprising that we saw a drop here. Follow me down here as we look at some of the craziest long and short trade movement on any coin I've ever seen. So we ended up seeing a huge drop in longs and a shot up in shorts. And then we see the longs shoot up here and the short shoot down. And then we see longs completely drop out and the shorts increase drastically. So if you guys, I know some of you are using this to actually like place trades in the market. When you saw this came out yesterday, so it was August 11th at 8 a.m., obviously, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, if you guys shorted the market on that, I want to show you guys exactly where that entry was, because you guys are doing really well at the moment. We need to go down to the hour chart. We need to go to August 11th, and it's over here, and we need to go to 8 a.m. It's exactly right here on this candle. So if you guys ended up shorting that with that metric that you guys saw, you guys are up about 7.12%. If you're using 5x leverage, you're up 35%. If you're using 10x leverage, you're up 70%. Now, those of you in the US, I'm not gonna tell you what you should do, but for the majority, leverage is pretty illegal. Like, it's in the U.S. I have a lot of clients that are obviously outside of the U.S. This is YouTube. We're global, and you guys can legally use leverage. But just be careful if you're in the U.S. using leverage. It may come around to bite you later. That's all I got to say about that. I don't use leverage on any of my trades. Okay, but anyways, very good metric that you guys need to keep watching. I'm telling you, watch the money flow. These are on-chain metrics. We can't fake this. This is really what's happening as far as volume goes. Now, if you guys also came up here and you looked at this and you were looking at the great short trade that came out here, this was also calling it as well. So anybody who ended up taking any type of short trades in here, you're obviously still in the profit here. So great job for those of you guys who ended up doing that. I do think Dogecoin will keep heading down, and I'll cover in this video where I think a good entry for a long trade is, and I'll show you exactly how to use really good risk management so you're not kicking yourself if Dogecoin goes all the way back down to 16 cents, okay? Because yes, it is a possibility. Don't ever outrule a coin going down further than you expect. Okay, it's just wisdom. Well and institutional smart money. This is the biggest one candle wick we've ever received in our life for this metric, and it dropped right after it. So what we're seeing here is that we are still seeing sentiment on short trades here. What I want you guys to specifically watch for, today is Thursday, so it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm not going to be doing videos Saturday and Sunday, so make sure you guys have your membership. It's $49 a month over here, okay? Access all the metrics and live trades. If this starts moving back up over the weekend and we start seeing this metric push back into the long trade section, this is where I really believe this may be one of the last times you guys will be able to pick up Dogecoin before we see some parabolic moves back to all-time highs. I don't feel like Dogecoin is going to start moving back down to these 5 and 6 cent moves again. It's so low here, and I think this might be the second run of the psychology of a market cycle where this keeps heading up. So I highly suggest you watch this entire video till the end, because I'm going to show you guys the entry of where to enter in on this, and I'll show you guys how to get in with it with really good risk management. So literally, give me 2 more minutes and I'll be over there. I'm not even that. Support and resistance prices. If we move back down, I'm watching 23 cents. It's obvious. Visually, where do we see a bunch of support? Support on here. 23 cents and 21. Let's look at on the chart. 23 cents. Where's 23 cents? Right about here. Structure high. Definitely a place where Dogecoin can move down to. I do expect, I'm going to write this down so I can have it from my notes. 24 cents is where I would expect to see this move down if we get enough bearish pressure in the market. Now, if you guys are watching the metrics and we start seeing this start to look more bullish, we could start turning around right now. And I will also show you guys how to get into the trade right now if you want to with really good risk management. So dollar cost average, if you guys entered into this, you guys are killing it. Not even going to go over that. You guys are just doing super well. Every time a green candle comes out, if you want to throw in $10,000 or whatever amount you feel comfortable with, you can do that. This is calling the bottoms very, very well. All right. Exiting here, this is what I'm using to help me exit my long trade positions once I'm in a token or a coin. This is historically called the drops. Very well here, very well there, very well here, very well there. This had a little bit of consolidation, but we did see a move down and we called the drop here. So I'm waiting for the next one. Okay. Are you guys ready to go over and see the best long trade setup? Let me show this to you guys. This does require a membership, just to be fully transparent, guys. It's $49 a month, the cheapest membership you'll ever pay for these quality of metrics, guaranteed with these trade signals, all right? Come down here to Dogecoin. It's the third one down from the top. All right, here's exactly how you trade this. If you have $10,000, let's make this simple. If you have $1,000, you split it up into 4 equal portions, 250, 250, 250, 250. Each of those portions go at the 4 yellow lines below the live current price. These are 4 buy limits in your exchange. Now be careful of this. I will come up and update these based off price structure. So these are not stagnant. These are what's called dynamic lines. So as these update, I highly suggest you guys follow this with your membership so you're getting into the best places. If this thing shoots up here, I am going to be adjusting this to very good levels. These are bot levels, quarters theories, whole numbers, Fibonacci levels, bank numbers. These are very important levels. I know where I placed them. I have like 3,000 hours of charting experience. I've been the #1 author on TradingView many times. I've been on the front page of TradingView.com 4 times this year alone. Like, guys, I hate like pump myself up like that. Anyways, I'm just trying to say like I've studied this enough to know where the price is historically going to bounce, and I have confidence in that. And so I've been using it and I haven't lost a trade yet. That's why. Hopefully that just helps a little bit. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is watch this. The first entry is at 24 cents. Come over here and take a look at 24 cents. It's right around here. I absolutely believe Dogecoin can come down here and hit 24 cents. That's not out of the call at all. But here's what you guys need to pay attention to, because I know some of you guys right now are in this video, watching this video, and you're like, Travis, I totally get it. I understand. You know, it's good to wait for the price to come down and hit this, but I'm honest. I don't think this is going to go down any further. I want to enter in right now because I think it's going to go back up. It's already seen, you know, I'm going to guess here, 6-7% drop. 12% drop. We've already seen a 12% drop here from the high. So you guys want to get in right now. I understand. Here's exactly how you can do this with very good risk management. So you're not shooting yourself in the foot if this thing drops back down to 16 cents and you're just depressed, okay? If you want to, let's use this example, $1,000, $250, you can, if you choose, not financial advice, you can enter a fourth of your position, $250 in this example, at $25.9. It's called 26 cents. Right now is a market order. If you do that, you must bypass this first buy limit. So your first buy limit will be down here at 18 cents, your second will be down here at 10, and your third at 0.02. And yes, these will be updating, so please watch this on a daily basis. Don't just come in here and trust these just because they shows this. These will update as price structure updates. That's why it's important that you guys watch this with your membership here. Now, once you've entered in with the market order, if your first buy limit gets hit at 18 cents, your break even moves down here to about 23 cents. You are always going to get a more favorable entry if the price moves against you. Why do you have a limit order way down here, a buy limit? It's just in case we drop back down here. Travis, I don't think it's going to drop all the way back down there. Okay, well, no one thought this was going to drop all the way back down here when we were up here, and I guarantee you that when you watch YouTube. So it's not that we can or can't. It's just like you just always want to be prepared for the price to move against you, okay? Better be safe than sorry. That's what I just got to tell you guys. So watch what happens here. Make sure you guys are following the metrics. Make sure you guys are following this divergence here with these two indicators. They're in the description, and I will keep you guys updated. God bless you guys so much. I think we have some incredible long trades coming this weekend as well as this coming week. I will be entering these trades with you guys. I have trades set up for Cardano. I have trades set up for ADA. I am ready to go. I will be throwing some money into Dogecoin if we can get back down to these lower levels. So subscribe, turn the bell notification on so you do not miss an update and a trade call, and make sure you guys are subscribed to tradeconfident.io, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.